You see that house right there? That's one of 200 single family houses that I own, and it makes me $1,000 a month in profit without doing anything. And this is how I did it. I bought this house for $30,000. I put $20,000 into it, and now we are actually standing out waiting for tenants who are lined up to rent it out. If you're trying to become financially free by investing in real estate, what you want to do is do the monopoly method. You buy Baltic Avenue, then you keep repeating and repeating. 200 houses, $1,000 minimum per month on the houses. This is what you do, okay? So we're gonna walk up and check it out. Hey.
Hey, how are you?
How much was the house advertised to you for?
$995.
Is that a good deal for this house? I know the answer.
Yes. It's a 4-bedroom, so yes.
Yeah.
To me, it is.
Does it look like a nice house?
From the pictures.
From the pictures. All right. We'll see when we get in. Okay, cool. We got a bunch of people lined up to come look at it. Everybody coming in to look at the property.
Oh, that's a big old step.
Good for your.
I am in the quads. I just did leg day yesterday. I don't know how I feel about that one.
You got leg day every day over here. Can I ask you a question? We're doing a little video.
Yeah, sure.
What's your name?
Ray,
What do you do for work, Ray?
medical assistant.
I could tell. That's what I was asking.
Oh.
So this is my property, and I always want to know, like, is this a good price? $995. I feel like I priced it.
I think it's a steal depending on what the inside looks like.
Yeah. So come take a look at the inside. We got to do a little bit of cleaning up, but tell me what you think.
I love that it's right across from the park.
Right across from the park.
Pulled up and I seen all these people. I said,
So we're gonna.
is this wood burning or is it
No,
not for show?
just for show. But we're gonna restain the floors right now. I just told them to go ahead and show it because we just have a few punch lists to do when the tenant moved out. We're gonna restain it. What else are we doing here?
We're gonna finish all the electrical, touch up paint, and then cleaning, new stove, and then there was a roof leak upstairs. We're gonna patch all the, it's in a closet. You
Yeah,
can see it.
we literally forgot about this house.
You forgot about it?
Yeah, we forgot. We had property management, and then when we during the transition, it got missed.
Yeah.
So, but we have other houses if you're looking for other stuff too.
I really want this one. It's close to work and it's right next to the park. I got a baby on the way. I got a 9-year-old, so it's perfect.
Well, rock and roll. Yeah, we're doing a little video on, cause I believe I give a great deal on my properties. I want to know what everybody else thought, you know?
Oh yeah, we look for deals because right now the prices that they got are insane.
Well, we'd rather have a lot of tenants find the best tenant that's going to pay on time and give them a great deal and not going to cause us a bunch of aggravation.
Right.
That's what our goal is to find people who know that they're getting a great deal, are willing to be good tenants because we're getting a good deal, and then we have a good partnership. But I've rented to people for 15 years, stayed in the same house, and never raised rent.
That's my plan. I don't plan on moving.
We want somebody who's going to be a lifer.
Every time I'm ready to buy a house.
Yeah.
That's when
We want to sell this one to you.
You sell this one to me?
Absolutely, 100%. Everything I got is for sale.
How much it need to be fixed? Is the laundry upstairs? Say yes.
It's in the basement.
That's a no go.
That is always a positive. I put them all in the basement. You know why?
Put them in the garage.
We don't have a garage here. If we did, we'd put them in the garage. It just depends on where the plumbing is. Let's go ahead and keep going out here. We got a line of tenants coming to go check out the property right now, right? How many tenants are through here?
We have 8 confirmed groups.
8 confirmed groups. This property, cash flow. What are we advertised for?
$995.
$995. Steel was what they sold for a 4-bedroom. Okay, so I'm gonna 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Are you coming to look at the property?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Debbie.
I like that name.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? I own the property. I'm kind of doing a little bit of a survey. Is $995 a good price on this property?
Yes,
And is it an excellent price?
it is.
Okay, cool. We have some work to do on the inside because the tenant just moved out. Take a look at it. Tell us what you think.
Okay.
And we got other properties too.
Okay.
Cool?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. So the key to renting your properties, in my opinion, and the key to financial freedom is giving a great deal to your tenants and having a line of tenants at the door versus overpricing it and having a bunch of people who may not want it, because you're only gonna get the desperate people. We've got people are gainfully employed, know the area, like the fact that we're in a park. This is how you buy the right properties. This property was purchased for under $30,000, under $20,000 was put into it. And like I said, it's going to cash flow $995 a month. Once the tenants are in, once we qualify the right tenant, we won't do anything. We won't see them. I've had tenants in properties for 15 years. So by stacking cheap, inexpensive properties like this is how you become financially free. If you want to become financially free and you build your own monopoly board, click the link below, schedule a call with one of the people who have been through my coaching program that understands exactly how to do that. We'll teach you how to buy rental properties, how to buy flips, how to do sub-twos, creative financing deals, and how to buy large commercial properties. That's for you. If you want financial freedom, you want to build wealth, click the link below.